Are you ready to transform your WordPress site into a podcast powerhouse and bring your audio content directly to your audience? Step 1. Head over to your Buzzsprout dashboard and find the podcast episode you want to embed on your WordPress site. Look for the little embed symbol or the share icon next to the episode. Click on it. This will bring up embed options. Step 2. Now you have a few choices for customizing your player. Before you embed it, you can pick the size of your player, tweak the player colors to match your website's theme, or select other settings. After you are done, copy the embed code provided by Buzzsprout. Step 3. It's WordPress time. Go to the specific post or page where you want to display your podcast and select Edit. Step 4. Click the plus sign to add a new block. Step 5. In the block selection, find Custom HTML and click on it. If Custom HTML is not visible, you may need to search for it. Step 6. Paste the embed code you copied from Buzzsprout into the HTML block. Step 7. Finally, preview and then publish or update the post or page. Now your podcast episode is embedded and ready for your audience to enjoy right from your WordPress site. And that's how easy it is.